Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Race and Resto. Got me jumper on. Right, today we are doing some shit. And one of those things we're doing today is we're going to deliver some stuff. So I've been told by Tony that he's happy to repair the head. So we're going to go do that today. That's what we've got, is a bunch of shit in the car. Hold on, I'll show you. That's what all this shit in the back is. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm going to a couple of machine shops, go see me a good mate Johnny, absolute legend, always does a great job. And then he's going to, we have a Barra Turbo set of Rossies sitting there for it. On the other side we have the cylinder head off the black M20 engine, and over in the corner we have the Morris 1275. So today I hung out with Neil in the morning, so it's a little later than what I want it to be, but that's fine. It's what you got to do with mates, is you got to hang out, same as loved ones. I've learnt this one. You've got to learn to separate from work. Lately I've done more socialising than working, but I'm getting my happy median sorted. That's what we're doing at the moment. So yes, Jaden, the Barra Turbo is getting dropped off. Yeah. So torque plate bore and hone, full clean of the block. Crank will get ground 1010. We're just not going to run it stock. Most guys will run this shit just, I'd measured up, it's fine. Nah, I like it to be ground. And then that way when it goes for balancing with Brenton, he will micro polish a journal as well. It's why my stuff's usually really, really good. I don't cut any corners, which means when I build an engine, it should stay together. So today we're mini sport, go get some bearings. I get some 10th hour bearings for the 1275. The crank's fully balanced and it's getting the exact same pistons, but a tad smaller, so I probably won't rebalance that. It's only ever going to turn to 6.5, 7. I might balance the pistons. I might just get them fitted. So we'll go from there. But yeah, the whole idea, I'll put this up so we don't look like an idiot shouting to the world. But the whole idea is today is all about dropping off machining. I'm going to go have a chat with Tony and see how we go with the cylinder head. He's offered to fix it, so I'll hand him the head to fix. I've got valves, I've got everything sitting there. So we'll see how it comes out. And we'll have a chat about, the damaged piston, the bore and stuff, and see what he wants to do. Mate, I've got a business. I'm not the kind of guy to try to lean on people, and especially not after what happened with Hendrick. Other businesses that I deal with, I'm not chasing money, I'm chasing repairs. This is how it works. If all of us small business guys, we're all so pushed to the wall that we can't afford to pay for a repair without selling our own shit. People say, what about insurance? Have you seen how much insurance costs to cover a race engine build? It's ridiculous. So most mechanics or most engine builders you meet will tell you the same stuff. They'll say, yes, I will build you a great engine, there's no real warranty. They'll warranty their own work, which is why I'm going to bring the head back now. Right? But they can't warranty parts because it's a highly stressed race engine. But it's a grey area. Just is what it is. There's not a lot we can do in this business other than work our ass off, build the best shit we can, and, like me, do everything 3 times. Put it together, pull it apart, put it together, pull it apart. Do it again and again until your brain says, we are right, we're done. So, time to deliver some machining. You guys have a good day.